Yeah, now we are going to discuss the limit value of this function as x tends to negative. X tends to 1 from the left hand side. So you know the graph of 3x. It has the slope of this graph is 3, and the straight line, and this is a straight line that passes through the origin 0 0, and slope is 3, right? I consider these 3 points: 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3, right? So we know that x varies between 0 and 1/3, so the functional value is less than 1, right? Between 0 and 1. And if your x between 1/3 and 2/3, your functional value between 1 and 2, and your x is between 2/3 and 3/3 or 1, so your functional value between 2 and 3, right? So when you take the flow of this this value here, flow of y or 3x, right? So this value is less than 1. So if you have x in this area, so then and what about the functional value? If your x between 0 and 1/3, your functional value is less than 1. So therefore the flow of this 3x would be 0, this area, right? In this area, what is the maximum greatest integer which not greater than this value, which is 1. So in this area the greatest integer is 1. So therefore for these x values, the flow of this thing is 1, right? Okay. And if you consider if you consider this area, that means x varies between 2/3 and 3/3. The functional value between 3 and 2, and the greatest integer not greater than this value here, not greater than not greater than this this value is equal to 2, right? So this one, so this is the flow of 3x, right? So now we are interested in the ninth question. So we want to take the left limit, so here left limit, right, as x tends to 1. Okay, as x tends to 1 from this side, the flow of 3x approaches 2. That's why it is 2 here. Now x approaches 0.5 from the positive side, from the right hand side. So this is 0.5. So 0.5 in between 1/3 and 2/3. So this is 0.5, 1/2, right? So we know that at 0.5 this flow function is continuous, and therefore the function, so this takes the functional value at that point is 1. So that's why the answer would be 1.